Hey guys, in this video I want to show you a repair on the base frames. There are some forks damaged and we need to replace those forks with new ones, of course. We do it with this on the Siegmund tables. So first I built my setup on the table, and then that's what I want to show you guys, how we use our standard additional parts on the Siegmund angles, and that's how we're gonna place the fork. So guys, the base cube is totally fixed now. The new forks are on it. Now it's time to weld. Let's go. Okay guys, see you in the next one. Ciao.